In this video, we are going to show you how some powerful features within the Skander platform can allow you to use your reports as applications through the use of placeholders in your queries. Placeholders are just like variables that you can drop into your queries, and there are different kinds of placeholders. In this case, we want to show you how you can use a report for something like a customer portal, where you can give your customers access to data within your internal databases, say for example your ERP system. In this case, we're going to use something called an environment variable. An environment variable is a custom variable that you can create in your user accounts that allows you to map a value to a user account. So let's take a look at that. Let's manage user variables, add a new variable. We'll call it customer ID. Go back to the user list, and now you see that there's a customer ID column in the user list. Let's go ahead and give a customer ID to my account. So now this customer ID, which for the purposes of this demo is coming from our ERP system, is now mapped to this user account. So let's go back in and build a query based on that information. Select our database. Now here's our query, and you can see here is where we've dropped in the environment variable, which is saying use customer ID environment variable for whichever user is logged in at the moment and substitute that value at that place in the query. You can see that this is going to return rows of data from this table that are only for that customer ID that I just associated with that account. So let's go ahead and save this and go through the process of publishing it as a report so you can see how it would look for end users. Publish that query. Now I've got dependencies. Let's create a report. Now that query had a lot of columns, so we're just going to clear out a bunch of them so they do not show on our report. And we'll put some permissions on there. Save that, and let's have a look. So here's what the report looks like in the UI, and you can see that it's only returning the rows again for that customer ID that we associated with the account earlier. And it's that simple, really. You could, at this point, create user accounts for your customers. You could then map those accounts with that customer's internal database ID and distribute those logins to your customers, and they could log in to your Skander installation, and it becomes a customer portal. Keeping in mind that you can do all the things that you would normally do, cross-link reports, drill down links, charts, graphs, all those things. Please be sure to check out our other videos for information about those other features, and thanks for watching.